You watch videos about making money with AI. You save them, you feel motivated, but you're still broke. Why? It's not because AI doesn't work. It's not because you're unlucky. It's because of something most people don't realize. After testing different AI methods, trying to make money online, I noticed a pattern, and if you don't fix this, nothing will change. Problem 1. Watching instead of doing. You watch videos, learn new methods, get excited, but then, you don't take action. No outreach, no work, no results. Problem 2. Fake productivity. You feel busy, researching, learning, planning, but you're not actually making money. That's fake productivity. Problem 3. Too many ideas. Today Fiverr, tomorrow YouTube, next day drop shipping. You keep switching, and never go deep. Problem 4. No consistency. You try for a few days, then stop, then start again, then stop again. This kills your progress. So, what actually works? Step 1. Pick one thing, one method, one focus, no distractions. Step 2. Take daily action. Every day, even when you don't feel like it. Step 3. Track progress. Know what's working, fix what's not. Step 4. Stay consistent. This is the hardest part, but it's the only way. Final truth. You don't need more information. You need more action. Final thoughts. Stop watching. Start doing. Even small steps matter, because that's how results come. Subscribe for more real AI strategies and honest advice. See you next time.